So I'm gonna use AHSL stuff, but we don't know what if then else is for me. But anyways, if game dot lighting dot clear all children. Let's look at some code. Has anti-abuse. Then we're going to run the same command. Let's see if this is the right component. Expected then after its condition. Damn it, I need to do then on this art. It actually run without error? No way it actually run without error. It actually run without error. But it actually clears the audio. So we actually use the right if, the right then, and the right then. We actually use the right AHSL code. And we actually also killed off AHSL audio from the start of it. So we actually used the right if and the right then, and I think this is correct. We got the right AHSL code corrected. So we ran AHSL the right way. I'm pressing Windows plus Alt a few times. I don't know what happens. Anyways, I'm going to create a folder. AHSL for admin house. We'll save that. Actually, if you actually read it right now, it's actually shown. There's no errors. So this is the lighting code. That's actually is actually in the AHSL code somewhere. And anti-abuse is in the right code. So I think we got that right. Okay. Is there a server frame rate in AHSL? If util server frame rate 15, then has, well, we'll not need the has because we don't need it. The workspace clear all children. Don't know why I teleported there. It's just that the game lagged. Brackets right here. Ooh. Then workspace.clear all children. Then, so we need a second then. And then right there again is then if has anti-abuse, then run the same command again. But with a capital. And we don't have to forget the ends because we need the ends on both. Will that AHSL command work? Well, I don't know, but clearly we've got two ends in the code. So, will we get the error? Oh, on 7 it says expected then after its condition. So, we need to look for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, it's actually not 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we need to remove the has. So, we need to have the if anti-abuse. Then, we're going to execute the command. However, we've got one issue now. On 1, it says attempt to call server framerate on nil. Which means we've got an issue. We've got nil on there. Util is in the AHSL code, so we don't have to worry about that. Because util is somewhere on the AHSL codes. So we need to capital the server and the frame rate on there. But it would give us the same error. If we remove util and execute the same command, we have got an AHSL error. So that means this is probably need to do that. But that didn't work as well. So we have just that issue. Server frame rate is not even in the AHSL thing. But util and server frame rate. Server frame rate is not in util in AHSL, so we're best off sticking with nil errors. We've got a nil error, so that means it wouldn't work here. So that's on line 1. And that's the main issue. So, let's look for the right if in the AHSL. So we have to use the right if. If if game.light writing clear all children, then has anti-abuse, then run the same code we're doing it exactly on 2 lines, so we'll need a fix for that. Okay, we've got 2 lines on this again, so will this actually work? Let's see. I don't know. Oh, attempt to call clear all children on nil. Attempt to clear all children on nil. It's because we all have that in caps. Oh, it has that error. Okay, so I thought that worked once, but it seems like it didn't work again. If we don't have that in caps, then okay, that we've still got the error clear all children on nil. We have clear all children on nothing. So we actually have the code in the AHSL. If we run AHSL here, so this is if game.line.clear all children, then has anti-abuse, then game.line.clear all children. We execute on this, and it actually fully works. It actually cleared the lighting. But I reckon it did nothing. Because AHSL didn't even pull an error. And never a single error in the AHSL code. Now, if we change that to workspace, execute the same code, we actually have destroy has reached the max limit of calls. So what it's actually running is not the game.line.clear all children, it's skipping that. It's skipping what if and then. So it has anti-abuse, then workspace.clear all children end. We're missing if, but we have a then. So that works. But it seems like on line 2 it seems to be ending. Attempt to call clear all children on nil means we just tabbed, so there would be a setting that if we do then we're gonna have to execute that same command, anti-abuse equals off. And then now it's skipping those two again. So it's skipping if and then and now it's skipping the last then just to enter the AHSL command. So we need to find something. If we do data model clear all children, double brackets, it's doing nothing. Even the exact directionally. Oh, actually, it works this time. Yeah, it actually worked this time! But it did nothing because you are clearing all children of the long value. It actually worked, but it didn't work! It didn't throw an error though. So, execute. Actually, it was like 2 more milliseconds, so. Oh, actually, it's working, sort of, but. It's executing some stuff that's in the data model. So that's your data model. So right now I'm actually deleting the data model. But how about I'm actually destroying it? Destroy. Oh, invalid instance. That's because it's locked in the AHSL. So you can just do clear all children. So it's actually working, sort of, but. Ah, it's actually sort of working. I just don't know it yet. If you do clone on itself, it just does nothing. And that's because we get an error. Static cloned. It's cloning nothing. So actually, we're getting some kind of AHSL commands working, but it's sorta working. It's sort of working. Just don't know it yet. We just might have seen something like, if we do C frame, clear all children. That surely won't work because C frame's not even anywhere in the thing. Change it to C frame. Now we have invalid instance and clear all children. You can't clear C frame in that. Destroy it, but obviously do nothing. So it's sort of working. A 2-string, we have run, we have tick, we have load instance. What is load instance? Let's just see what load instance is. Oh, so what you can do is run AHSL player load instance. It's already loaded, so let's see if we're gonna get an error. Oh, it's doing nothing. Ah, it's doing nothing on both. Local player. It's using Need function. Attempt of call function using colon instead of dot. Dot. I'm changing it. Ah, an internal AHSL error occurred. This should be reported as a bug. Please also provide the code used in your bug report. Because it doesn't work. It's already saved. And it'll do the same too if we load the character. What is vector 3? Does nothing if you execute it, so... There's nothing to do. It's like you're running scrap in the AHSL code. Okay, there's nothing. What is part indexing? So it's like if you do make part 5, then just do part indexing. Indexing equals 10, it wouldn't work. Or maybe try 10, and it would probably think it will do nothing. Because, oh yeah, default value if given value name, part indexing already exists. I wonder if we can just change it. Change part indexing equals 10. You can't change it. Part indexing. Okay, that does nothing. Change part indexing to. So indexing to 7, and you would think it will work. Yep, it's gonna work. It's gonna work, isn't it? It's gonna work, isn't it? Terrain part 7 water. Oh, well then, technically, it just formed it over here. Okay. Let's go to just use some AHSL crap again. I wonder if we could just do change index 527, execute that, it does, and you'd think it would work, but no, it doesn't. Because you've entered crap in the AHSL code, which is technically not AHSL code. Change is not even in the AHSL code. And I don't think also 2 is not in the AHSL code as well. But index is not even in the AHSL code, so I'm guessing those won't work as well. Ice boy, did I kill the guy? Do I kill the guy? Yeah, I look at you! Ah! Can I kill him? Yes, kill him. Kill it. It's the amount cycle. Ha! Okay. I'm delayed. Delay. 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 That was about delay. That makes me impressed. It's like I just pressed a button and it just takes 2 seconds to delay. Anyways, back to AHSLing. Friends, we don't have a fat ring. What? What's what? Get all players. Get all players. I'm sure I already got all the players because I count them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7. We just have 7 players. I have 7 players. What is that? Collect bar garbage. If collect garbage, then garbage. If does not work, then I wonder what happens. Then register Adonis command. I wonder if this works. Register Adonis command. I don't count it. I don't count it. I don't have an inbound command. Anyways, like and subscribe, turn on notifications. See you next time in the next videos.